and Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for central Chelan County in north central Washington until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in 25-mile burn scar south of Lake Chelan. Between 0.75 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen west of the burn scar between the community of Plain and Lake Chelan. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.25 to 0.5 inches are possible over the burn scar and other portions of the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams as well as steep terrain in and near the 25-mile burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Grouse Mountain Campground, Fox Creek Campground, Ramona Park Campground, Silver Falls Campground, and 25-Mile Creek State Park. Repeating, flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Chelan, Washington,